How to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you if there is a way to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that to delete an Instagram chat from both sides, you can see the unsent picture, but there is a catch like you can't delete entire conversation from both sides. Instagram only lets you unsend individual messages, not the full chat thread for that other person. You can unsend your only messages. For that, simply open Instagram. After you open Instagram, at the top right, simply tap on message icon. From there, simply open conversation. After you open conversation, from there, simply tap and hold your message. After that, you can get the option for unsend. Alright, like this way, you can repeat all of your message for unsending message, but you can't unsend the message that other person have sent you. From this way, you can delete or unsend your message from Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.